Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to record voiceover on Instagram Reels. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram. Now start creating a reel as you normally would. Tap the music note icon at the top. Then select voiceover. Here, if you don't want the voiceover to start at the beginning of your reel, then slide the playback marker to the point where you want to start the voiceover. When you're ready to start the recording, tap the record button. And if you want to stop, release the button. To hear your voiceover you just recorded, tap the play button. And if you want to delete it, tap the delete icon with a cross mark. When you're finished recording, tap done. Here, if you click on Controls option, you can adjust the volume of your voiceover as well as the volume of your original video. Again, if you click on Sound Effects, you can select the voice effects of your liking. Then after you finish, tap on Next button. Now you can proceed and share the reel. And that is how you can record voiceover on Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.